Kesorkar Meghalaya, ringkat kata tourism kejela, Klaraki ke Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Season 2, Kabalalong mendakas ngibalang kakasau trik leber hajar pusau, hakot iat Shillong, hakaju kapor, klapan kuburom, yikinong roy kejela. Hakan negas ngi, ujon Abraham, utun siop paunam gi film Bollywood, ubaderu utrai juga kenhun yilekai kenjat bol, ke North East United FC, ulai ke Ïaroh, ya ke Nongbah Shillong, dakabaong, bakadei ke Nongbah, Jong kaput katem, Jong keri India. Ya kene ujon Abraham ulaong, haba ajing keren kumu special guest, hadin bela depen kuburom, hikinong ruai Jong kejela. Ya kene ke program ke bela tip, kum ke Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Season 2, recognizing, inspiring artists, hakabau Konrad ke Sangma, menteri rangba kejela, ulalong kumu kongsan, hakijing non lang, uba CV Dingdo, director ketna tourism, kentup nadu kinong ruai.
Lullaby that we had released at the Modern Festival is also formal, so I'll just make it a bit easy and cooler because I think we're in the music capital of India, Shillong. I also like to say we've got the coolest Chief Minister in town, the Honorable Chief Minister, Sangma. Absolutely credible what you're doing with music, with sport. And I was just talking to the CEO of my football team, Northeast United FC, and I was telling him, what you're doing is so very impressive to encourage artists and to encourage music. We're very honored to be here and we're very happy to be a part of this process. Cyril, congratulations for what you put together, and congratulations and thank you for supporting us with Meghalaya Tourism, which we so proudly wear. I hope our association continues for as long because we're so happy to have you, and it's not just about another association, and we're very honored to have you. So thank you so much, and to all the artists out here, keep living your dreams. You're very fortunate. In my time, I probably didn't have the support of governance and of systems and of structures to help me in my processes and my dreams. I always wanted to be a football player and I could not become one. Today you've got the opportunity where the Honorable Chief Minister, being a musician and a fantastic musician himself, is here to promote and push each one of you. I would say, take advantage of this situation, make the most of it, go out there, play your hearts out, enjoy this art and this talent that you really possess, and have a great time. So thank you once again to all of you. God bless you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for those words of encouragement.
Symbols and that made that that sound that a good cymbal would make if it was played the right way. And like that, even for the guitars we bought, even for the different microphones and the different amplifiers we bought, we had a very, very difficult time, I remember. So really, those things inspired me. Even today, as I said, even though it didn't lead me to becoming a professional musician, but as I said, it left a very long-lasting impact on me, which is today reflecting in the policies that I make. And hence, it's a great opportunity for me, God has given me this opportunity to serve the state, to serve the people, and to be able to make this small but maybe in the life of the musicians of our state. And so we are very happy, and maybe you can say the grassroots program that we're having is maybe one of the most satisfying programs for me, because I really see and feel the impact that it has, and to be able to make a difference in the lives of our young musicians and the youth in general really gives me a great sense of satisfaction, I must say. Second, of course, the music scene is very different today from what it was during our times. And I still remember, trying to figure out the notes of, some lead that had to be played once again and again and again, and we all, to save the battery, we used to rewind it with pencil and all that stuff. So I'm sure you guys remember, some of you will remember those moments. And today you have YouTube, where you can just learn the keys, the solos, which we used to struggle to just even get a note of what it was, and of course we didn't know what scales were. We just used to play as per whatever we could understand, or by the music, and would like to be like them and start becoming musicians. And we all went through that phase, is what I am presuming. I'm sure at one point in your life you started off with that real desire in your heart and the love for music and wanting to be a musician. And for me also, the different programs that we are doing today were inspired by those thoughts and those moments that I personally went through also. And though I could not ultimately become a successful musician because my talents were not that good, but then those moments left a very lasting impression on my mind. And every time I try to look at policies and programs and see how our youth need support, those memories and those thoughts come back to me and inspire me and affect me to then give that platform in one way, I guess, which we all did not get at that point in time. I still remember, so we were very young, of course, and I was, I think, in class 11 that time, high secondary. And, we were struggling to find enough money to buy the drum kit, and we ultimately had to settle down with a really cheap version of the cymbals. I don't know if some of you still remember those cymbals. So the cymbal, the quality is not good. So when you hit on it, it doesn't give that effect. So the cheap one was the one which had pins coming out and hanging around it. So no matter how you hit it, it would make that sound. So ultimately we had